So one of the questions we get a lot is, when is the best time to take ketones? It really depends on your goals. I always recommend taking one in the morning and one in the mid-afternoon. I always do one ketone to start my day, usually before I work out. And I know a lot of you are very active, so I would recommend doing one before the workout. And then usually one in the mid-afternoon. We use methylated vitamin B12. We don't use cyanocobalamin, which I would not recommend using in high amounts. We use a methylated version of B12, which is great. B12 is a water-soluble vitamin, so what you don't use, you excrete out. And most of the studies show that when you're getting about 200 to 500 micrograms, which would be the equivalent of having a couple different products a day, that's where you see the best benefit for the brain. I just finished actually having my Proton. I just had a Proton shake and I broke my fast with a little bit of yogurt and protein. And then I'll probably have another ketone before dinner. But that is my recommendation. I always recommend two, but if you're gonna have one, I would recommend having it earlier on in the day. So that way you get the benefits of ketones kind of when you're most active and most productive.